this one is next. Hi, good morning. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm vlogging on my phone right now. Sometimes I just like to do things in little chunks and pieces, and I did not purchase my tripod when I purchased my camera, so it hasn't come in the mail yet. So I really can only hand hold the camera right now, and I don't know. I'm just gonna use my phone a little bit today, and then I'll probably use my main camera for some hopefully exciting things later. But I'm gonna take you along on a little adventure with me. So I spent my morning doing a couple hours of work, just doing some gardening, and now I have to clean my hut because it is a hot mess right now. Still just kind of like playing catch up, trying to really get on top of things, and I need to give my place a very good cleaning, as you might be able to tell behind me. I don't know. And then I actually have to go to work tonight, but once I'm off, I'm heading to the other side of the island to hopefully find us a little bit of lava. We want to see all of this action that's been happening. Really hard to say what we'll be up to because it's hard to know what roads are open and what you can see and where with all of the evacuations. So really, I have no idea what we'll be doing, but I hope to bring you guys along with me. So I'm gonna go be productive, go to work, and I'll see you guys once we are hitting the road.
Gotta go, gotta see things, see new faces and brand new things. Gotta go places and do things. Maybe to forget.
I got off work, and long story short, camping plans got canceled. We're going to Maui. Woohoo! Okay, am I in it?
Yeah, you're in it.
Okay.
So you flip this for us.
I need to be honest with you guys. Like, I wanted this magical Maui vlog. Like, I had all of this excitement to like practice with my new camera, but like, I also just got way too excited and I drank. I drank so much last night. Like, it's the worst. Oh my God, stop. It's the worst hangover I've had since, well, it's the worst, yeah. It's like the first like real hangover I've had since moving out to Hawaii. I just got all excited about being in Maui, and I like to, you know, keep up with people. Anyways, I'm a hot mess. I'm so hungover, obviously. Like, what is happening? But where are we? Okay, we're at the Makavao Forest Reserve. We're about to go on a hike. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but I don't know. This is just like some real talk. All right, let's go hiking. Thank you.
everyone. Today has not been the greatest day for me. Last night I drank some whiskey and then I switched to tequila, and I kind of just forgot that I'm a lightweight, and it's the first time I've had like a really epic hangover in a very long time. So I'm just gonna write this off as a refresher course, how not to do things ever. But Maui is absolutely beautiful. I do apologize for the lack of vlogging today. I just have really been struggling through it. I cannot wait to return and do it again. It's really, really beautiful here. Very different from Big Island. The reason I was able to fly here on a whim like this is because my landlord works for the airline. So yes, I was able to come out here for free. Stay tuned for more vlogs, better vlogs, because this one, not so much. Ooh, we got a plane coming in. Cool stuff. I'll see you guys on the Big Island.